for you, Mr. Roxy. What is this? And who even dropped this thing here? A pen drive? No, the car was locked. I locked. Let me call my wife. But I didn't see any envelope while I was coming. Yeah, hello dear. How you doing? Okay. I took your car to town to get some few things, and when I came back, there's a letter dropped in the car. Have you by any chance passed by? Because I don't know if... Hello? Yeah. You've not come anywhere. Yes. It was locked when I was leaving. When I came, I have to unlock to get inside. Yes, a pen drive in an envelope addressed to me. I don't know what is on the pen drive. Okay. I'm coming over. Yeah, I'm coming over. When I come, we'll look at it and see. Because I don't know. You don't even know where I am. I've not told you where I'm coming to. So, to see the envelope in the car, no one around, the car was locked.
Oh, that. I want you. Don't call me uncle.
I'm sorry, okay. My dad called me, alright? My dad called me. He asked me to come to the like the way he sounds, it feels like this man, I don't know.
You sure?
I'm worried, bro. I'm
You
worried.
sure say you go out?
Very, very worried.
You just give me your taxi, make I check now.
I'm so sorry, alright? The money I have is my TNT and I can't give it to you, alright? Please. You can do it like any other time. I beg you, alright? So you don't worry. When I come back, I'll see you, uncle.
I dey warn you. I said, uncle, don't call me. You are here, not here. If they tell you this small thing, young person to shout, everybody go here, say they shout. I don't like that thing. I say, don't call me uncle. This week, be your first and last. The day you call me uncle again, you see my character. You dey hear me?
I'm sorry, Gunja.
Hey.
This card is not coming. It's better I walk to the rooster. This is shorter. I'll see you.
Hey, what's up?
Cool, girl.
Who dey chase you?
Oh, nobody. Me say I go change me. I mean myself, I dey do my exercise.
What's up? Any need better?
I dey tell you, me, I be sharp guy. Everything succeed. Quack. If you know the fire go start.
I believe you.
Why you no go believe me?
See that one with that?
Yes, I.
You sure?
You know they fear me.
Oh, it be too much. It be too much.
You know they fear
It
me.
be too much.
If you know they fear me, you no go fear Satan. If you want see Satan, where you see me, no go out.
Sakpanyanya.
Na me that. If you see me, no, you see Satan.
I believe
Anything
you.
you want tell to Satan, yeah, you just tell me.
I believe you,
Satan
man.
go hear am.
I believe
Yes,
you.
I.
Sakpanyanya.
Yeah.
Oh, this one there. Everything pa.
I no go lie you.
Pa.
I no go lie you. Me, I know they take my job.
Yeah, Sakpanyanya. I trust you.
Yes, sir. If you trust me, then everything will be okay.
I trust you. Make no worry. I trust you.
You know something.
Wait.
Mm.
I no get. I no get. Make you no talk, sir. I no get.
I no mention anything when you say no.
I know what they can't talk. I no get.
Eh.
I no get. Forget
Okay,
them.
okay, you look at that.
Forget them.
So, get the hell.
Yo, what's up? What's up?
Okay, what's up? Why you keep long like that?
Oh.
I can't stay hours 30 minutes.
Now they do
Why?
something. They do something.
Oh, if you're busy, I know they check you.
They do something. What's up?
Charlie, everything they cool.
What be that?
With a video, I want to take you.
You finish everything.
Oh, I finish. When you know, say, I know they joke with you.
I know you make us see
Yes,
first.
sir.
Make us see first.
I know they joke with my work.
Hey, you know.
If you pop am,
See him.
if they pop am, I sang Panyanya be that. I know they joke with my
Oh,
work.
you force.
I sang Panyanya. I know they joke with my work.
Hey!
Everything like that.
This one get plenty money with this oh.
I not gonna lie you. Yeah.
Charlie, but if you do what, the money no. If you do what?
Like what?
Every day they do this. Every day they do this.
Hey,
You for
this
sure.
one na my happiness.
You
Oh.
for sure. Ah,
You
what's
for
up?
not tell me that. Na my happiness with this.
But the money you for look sharp oh. But show this thing. You know, say me I know they like this thing. Ah, show him.
See, make I pop you something. You can't start there. You for learn now.
I know they like. As for this one, they
Okay, drop it.
I know they like. Charlie, I know they like. Ah, maybe the money I dey want to, so if I look sharp then.
Oh, the money there for tape cool. Everything.
You are here. I hear. You if anything make it there, you call me. So Banyanya.
Yeah, network.
Next time, eh?
No shaking. See you. Me money I read, I will call you. 30% if you don't like yeah, you take yourself, my guy.
Eric. 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 Hey! Why? What's wrong with you? What are you thinking? What's the problem?
Don't worry, it's something personal, but I'll be okay.
Tell me. Maybe I might help.
So don't worry, something personal. I'm okay.
Are you sure? Okay, if you say so.
Okay, where are you going?
I've been looking for Mickey since last night. I've not been seeing him. I thought maybe I will see him around, but I can't see him.
No,
Have you seen him?
I don't see him. I dey call him, I know they get him. I try contact Mickey, I know they reach him. Then they talk me say he go house. But if Mickey will go house, at least if I talk me, I don't know, me I dey doubt. Like I dey worry about him. But
This is strange, the way you and Mickey date.
I dey shock. When Mickey will go house, if you don't go fit talk me.
I've been asking of him over there. Everybody said they don't know where Mickey
Same
is.
thing, I ask everybody for the hostel there. Nobody dey mind. They say they no see him. They say some people say he go house.
But have you called him?
I try contact Mickey, I know they get him. His lines is off. All the 2 lines.
Or do you want us to go to his house and go and check?
Nah, I don't think it's a good idea. Don't worry.
Worried.
I know you will definitely contact me. So don't worry, if I see him, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Charlie, when coming, get me some to grab the woman.
That one there.
I
Okay.
understand.
You don't think again.
So don't worry. Take care.
Alright. Bye.
Mickey.
Private number again. Hello.
sense.